Good morning, students. So we are going to see working capital management today. Very important concept. We all know that a business always supposed to invest into short-term funds and long-term funds. When business is going to manage its short-term funds very effectively, that itself is called as working capital management. And when business is managing its long-term requirements, long-term funding requirements, that particular concept is called as capital budgeting. So out of that, the first we are going to see, that is working capital management. The screen is very much clear, my dear. As far as definition of working capital is concerned, working capital is nothing but the capital which is required for running day-to-day activities of the business is called as working capital. इसका सीधा साधा मतलब बेटा, जो कैपिटल रिक्वायर्ड है बिजनेस को रन करने के लिए ऑन डेली बेसिस पे, उसको हम वर्किंग कैपिटल बुलाते हैं. At the same time, there are two concepts of working capital which are very popular. One is called as gross working capital and another one is called as net working capital. So what is gross working capital? Gross working capital is nothing but investment of the business in terms of current assets, that is called as gross working capital. And what is net working capital is difference between current assets and current liabilities. Now this is as far as concepts are concerned. Now when we talk about working capital, do remember that working capital is going to ensure that the business is going to very much running properly and it is managing its liquidity very effectively. So what is liquidity, students? Liquidity is nothing but the ability of the business to pay short-term liability, and that you can see on the screen as well. So what is liquidity given here? यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं आप कि liquidity का मतलब क्या दिया है. So working capital is a key metric used to measure a company's short-term financial position or short-term financial health and well-being. A company's short-term financial health or position is going to be measured in terms of liquidity, that you can see. A company's short-term financial health is also known as liquidity. And what is liquidity? Liquidity is the ability of the business to pay short-term liability, that is current liability, out of its existing current assets. Now let me tell you what are current liabilities and current assets very quickly, and these are the very important facets. So when we talk about working capital, we have to talk about these two things, my dear. One is current asset and another one is current liability. So you can see in on the screen what is current liability and what is current asset here. अगर आप स्क्रीन पे देखेंगे तो बड़ा क्लियर बेटा कि करंट असेट्स क्या है. देखिए, करंट असेट्स आर असेट्स दैट कैन बी इजीली कन्वर्टेड इनटू कैश विद इन वन अकाउंटिंग ईयर. तो करंट असेट्स क्या होते हैं? ऐसे असेट्स जो इजीली कन्वर्ट होते हैं कैश में विद इन वन अकाउंटिंग ईयर, उसको हम करंट असेट्स बुलाते हैं. व्हाट आर सच करंट असेट्स? सच करंट असेट्स आर कैश इन हैंड or cash at bank, cash equivalents, debtors, accounts receivable which is also called as trade receivable, and bills receivable, the same is called as inventory. एक बिजनेस में तीन तरह की होती है: stock of raw material, stock of WIP and stock of finished goods. At the same time we are having short term investments which are also called as marketable security. तो ये list of current assets है students, और याद रखिए current assets are nothing but all those assets which are easily converted into cash within one accounting year. At the same time, we are supposed to see current liabilities. All liabilities, all short-term liabilities which are bound to be paid within one accounting year by the business with the help of existing current assets are called as current liabilities. So current liabilities are sundry creditors, that is also called as accounts payable, trade payable और bills payable. ये सबका मतलब एक ही है. इसका सीधा साधा मतलब है, जब भी आप रॉ मटेरियल खरीदते हैं क्रेडिट पे, whenever you are purchasing raw material on credit, whenever you are taking a short term loan, and at the same time whenever certain expenses are due but not paid, those are called as outstanding expenses or accrued expenses. There are three types of creditors, my dear. Creditors for outstanding expenses, that is expenses due but not paid. Second, creditors for raw material purchased on credit, and third is creditors for money borrowed for short term. तो ये तीन तरह के creditors है, and at the same time all these are nothing but part and parcel of current liability. Another current liability which you can see is short term loans like bank overdraft, provision for taxation, proposed dividend. These are the current liabilities which are liable to be paid by the business. So working capital is very much required for a business which is going to ensure that liquidity is managed by the business very effectively, and at the same time further this working capital is going to ensure that the primary purpose of working capital management is to enable the company to maintain sufficient cash balance or cash equivalent in terms of anything which can be easily converted into cash to meet its short-term obligations and short-term डेट ऑब्लिगेशंस एंड शॉर्ट टर्म ऑपरेटिंग कॉस्ट. जब भी शॉर्ट टर्म ऑपरेटिंग कॉस्ट की हम बात करते हैं या शॉर्ट टर्म डेट ऑब्लिगेशन की बात करते हैं, तो डेट ऑब्लिगेशन का तो सीधा मतलब है स्टूडेंट्स, दैट इज एन इंटरेस्ट, नथिंग मोर देन दैट. But at the same time, do remember when you are talking about working capital management, let's take an example of a coffee shop. So coffee shop, what you are going to do there, you are going to serve wonderful coffee there, which is tasty and people will be attracted to that. But at the same time, you should have a good ambience for a coffee shop, a good place, at the same time an effective coffee machine, and further you should have raw material in terms of milk, coffee powder, different flavors, sugar, so that you can make a good coffee and serve it to the customer. So this raw material in terms of all these things like milk, sugar, coffee powder, coffee beans, and at the same time payment to the workers, payment for electricity expenses, all these are nothing but part and parcel of working capital, my dear. Whereas the place which you have purchased for this particular coffee shop is capital expenditure, which is called as capital budgeting, along with the coffee machine which you purchased and the furniture you purchased, which is going to make a good ambience for the customer. So long term needs क्या हुए स्टूडेंट्स, बड़ा क्लियर है. एक कॉफी मशीन जहां पे आपने कॉफी शॉप चालू किया है, ये प्लेस जो आपका ओन्ड है, and another one is nothing but the furniture which you purchase. So ये सारा capital budgeting हुआ, ये long term needs हुआ. Short term needs इसमें क्या हुआ students, that is nothing but the raw material which is purchased to make coffee on daily basis, the payment which is going to be done for electricity expenses, for wages for the staff which is working into the coffee shop, that is nothing but part and parcel of working capital. So do remember, working capital is very crucial for managing liquidity of the business, and liquidity is nothing but ability of the business to pay short-term liability out of short-term assets. So this is all about working capital basics, and working capital is going to ensure that business is going to pay the operating cost on time, at the same time short-term debt obligation. That is why working capital management is very required, my dear. And at the same time, this is one of the very core area of any manufacturing business as far as working capital management is concerned.